A long time ago, in a faraway town called Nazareth, there lived a girl called Mary. She was beautiful and full of love, and she wanted to love God a lot. One day, while Mary was sewing her dress, an angel appeared to her. It was the angel Gabriel. The angel said, "Don't be afraid, Mary. I have a great news for you. God has sent me to tell you that you are going to have a child and he will be called Jesus."
Are you watching? I thought you were sick there.
Joseph and Mary were from a town which was miles away from Nazareth and had to set off from a long journey to Bethlehem. It was winter time and it was very cold. But when Mary and Joseph arrived at Bethlehem, things didn't look too good at all. There was no room anywhere. And so they decided to stay in a stable.